Meaning of huckster.
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 Huckster. The term huckster typically refers to someone who tries to sell goods or services using dishonest or aggressive tactics. This kind of person is often viewed negatively as someone who prioritizes their own profit over the well-being or satisfaction of their customers. A huckster may use deception, high-pressure sales tactics, or other unethical methods to get people to buy from them. The term can also be used more broadly to describe anyone who is seen as insincere or manipulative in their communication with others. Overall, being called a huckster is not generally considered a compliment.